All right. Hi everyone, Coach Abs here, and in these tutorials, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-download, install, and configure MySQL Community Server and MySQL Workbench straightforward without explaining yung mga options natin. Because if you want to have that full tutorials with explanation, I think that we have a separate video with that. With that said, okay, sisimulan na natin yung pag-install na to. So first thing first, you have to visit yung ating devmysql.com, yung developers community natin. So to do that, you can visit the dev.mysql.com/download here. Okay? And if you're looking with it, okay, ilagay ko na lang dito sa atin and we have this one. Okay. So there you go. So next step is you have to click the MySQL community server. All right? And the next step is pipiliin natin yung 8.0.43. And since we are downloading for the Windows, we have to select the Windows and you have to go here in the download page. Okay, so this is the download page of our 8.0.43 and you have to select yung the larger one, the Windows x86 32-bit MSI installer, and we have to click here, download here, and you have to select 354.3 MB. So click that download and click no thanks, just start my download. All right, so here, we are now downloading yung installer natin. So wait lang tayo ng kaunti. Okay, and look for the progress. We have 6 seconds left here. And yeah, there you go. It's downloaded. So now to install, open lang natin yung folder natin with this, and ito yung ating installer. Okay, that installer, you can right click that and click open. Okay, and then click yes. All right, and wait a little bit, 6 seconds remaining, and click yes once again. And there you go. It will guide you to the installation process. And of course, we have to select the costume and click next. And we will install yung mga kinakailangan natin from server, application, and the documentation. So to do that, I will click the expand. Here, the expand also, the expand here, and I will select MySQL Server 8.0.43x64. I will click the forward. Then I will expand the application. Okay, and we will install all of these, Workbench, Shell, and then the router. So click the expand here, and I will forward the MySQL Workbench 8.0.43 and x64. Then the shell, expand here, MySQL, and click that and forward here. Then the router also, expand that, expand, select the router, MySQL router 8.0.43, x84, and forward. And of course, the last one is our documentation, whereas we will add here our documentation, forward that, and the samples and samples natin. Okay, so all of this is something that we will install in our local machine, and click next. Ready to install, execute, and the installation wizard will automatically install all of the product, server, and example in our machine. Hintay lang natin ng konti. Mabilis lang to. Kasi next lang naman tayo dito without explanation. So we started at around 2 p.m. on my side. Maybe in less than 30 minutes, we could complete that installation process. Okay, kasi kanina, no, or doon sa isang video natin, ay umabot po siya ng around 1.5 hours. Okay, including the full installation process. Okay, or including the explanation. So this one, I think that this is the video that you can watch if you want something that is straightforward. And we are doing this because I know that some of you that the time is very important and we want to become more time efficient, that without listening, what should I do this, do that, okay? We have to follow the instruction accordingly. Much better, okay? Much better. But of course, if you want to have a full one, you can watch the previous video. I-upload ko lang sa YouTube to, okay, na separate video. So tatlo yung demonstration natin for this session. The full installation guide, okay, with explanation. Number 2 is uninstall using the manual methods. And then number 3 videos natin is this one, yung straightforward na walang masyadong explanation. Okay, and yung session number 4 natin, of course, is I'm gonna pick up from the public, especially sa nasa Zoom, and yep, hopefully ma-install natin. So I think that ito yung magsisilbing pinaka-base natin, no? Pinaka-base natin na if you want to install MySQL, then there you go. So sa mga nasa YouTube kasi, ang ginagawa nila is kinakat, okay? And sometimes if something went wrong, hindi na natin nakita ano ba nangyari dito? Why the video is cut? Pero sa content natin, I love yung unfilter, uncut, and kumbaga what you see is what you get. So para anuman ang errors na na-encounter natin, everything will be treated accordingly at nalalapatan natin ng solution. Okay, so there you go. So installation is complete and click next tayo dito. Okay, and click next. And of course, we have to click next, stay at Easy It. Next natin yan. Okay, stay lang yan. Next tayo dito. And yung password natin is root. Okay, and we have root. But you can type your password kung gusto nyo. Okay, next tayo dito. And stay lang to. Wala tayong babaguhin. Next lang tayo dito. And walang babaguhin. Next lang tayo dito. And of course, execute para ma-configure natin yung file natin. Okay, so there you go here. So I do not open any screen. Kung ano yung screen na nandyan, yun ang ginagamit natin. Then click finish. Okay, and then click next. And of course, click finish here. And then click next. And of course here, yung password natin na root. And you can check that para malaman natin kung okay. Then click next here and click execute. All right, and then click finish. All right, and then click next. Then of course stay, then finish. Okay, so there you go. Pag lumabas ito, ibig sabihin everything is gonna be okay. So congratulations, ganun lang kasimple yung pag-install natin. So kung kanina, umabot tayo ng 1.5 oras with explanation, now in 10 minutes, okay, installation is done. Okay, para masilip natin kung tama yung pag-install natin, we have to connect our workbench here. Okay, and of course, you can check this one here. Yung sa password natin dito. You can click that X button here. Okay, don't save here. Then the Sakila here, right click and set as default. Okay, and then we will create a new SQL statement here and we have to test kung talagang connected na siya. So with that, we can choose select asterisk from what table? From the table actor here. Then closing here and test run. Alright? Pag walang error, ibig sabihin, you are now connected to our MySQL server. Of course, we install, we configure, and we connect the workbench into our MySQL server. Ganun kamdali. Okay, so hopefully nakatulong yung tutorials natin na to para mag-progress tayo sa mga ginagawa natin. With that, thank you so much and God bless. Bye.